Hello everyone, my name is Sushma Singh and professionally I'm a microbiologist. So I've worked for 7 long years in various pharmaceutical industries, but then once I conceived my baby for the first time, I had to leave my job and then I had to sit at home because I had few medical complications. So in my mind it was there that once I'll deliver my baby, and after the baby is 1 or at max 2, after that I'll go back to work. But it never happened. My daughter, she was born and I was the happiest person on this earth. And I thought, okay, maybe after 2 years I'll be able to get back to work. But then slowly as she was growing up, I discovered that she's somebody who is very fuzzy about eating. I don't know if I'm the only one. I know all parents they talk about that, but somehow I felt that she's somebody who needs me 24/7. And somehow I started telling myself this story that I cannot do anything else other than taking care of her, because I have her, and if I don't do that, I'll have that mom guilt. So in the passage of time, when she was actually growing up, she turned 3 and then 4, and then many times I would feel like going back to work, because I had been such a person who loved working, and it was for the first time in my life when I was doing nothing, sitting at home and just taking care of a baby. And all these things were actually, they all dragged me to depression. I didn't realize it until I got clinically diagnosed by depression. So the major reason behind that was because I was not doing anything for myself. Every time when I'll think of doing something for myself, again this mom guilt will just arrive, and I'll again tell myself the story, Sushma, you cannot do something for yourself, you cannot go out and work and do anything because you have a baby. And this became my story. So once my second son, he was born, somehow I was determined that no, Sushma, you have to do something of your own, because this depression was killing me. And I know the reason behind that was that I wasn't doing anything for myself. But then I decided that I want to do something. But what? And this 24/7 of taking care of my kids, not being with in good environment, good in a sense, I was out of touch with this professional kind of thing for a long time, and all that really made me very inconfident. I lacked in self-esteem, and it all made me really very. And then I was like, with this mentality, what would I be able to do? Then luckily I came across a program which was incredible new. And to be very honest, earlier I didn't believe that they told me that this is a transformation program and you will just transform your life. And I was like, how is it possible? How in 10 weeks anything like that can happen? But then I thought, okay, let me give it a try, because I was already going to therapist and for consultation and everything. I thought, why not give it a try? And then I went through the whole program, and I was like, every week I was changing. I discovered, actually for the first time in my life, I discovered who I am. What are my codings? Why? I actually discovered that the story that I was telling to myself that I cannot do anything because I have a kid was a negative code that I designed for myself to keep in that self-sabotage mode, so that somehow I will equalize it with mom guilt consciousness. And then this was something that really shifts everything for me. I suddenly became very aware of where I was holding myself back, and then I got liberated. And after the 10-week program, I was totally a new person. I discovered what my passion, what my purpose in life was when I went through this program itself. So for me, it really has been in real term transformation program. So I really recommend, like, especially to mom. I believe that, because once you become a mom, all your priorities and everything just shifts in your life, and you need recovery, not only in terms of your physical health, but also in terms of your mental health. And for that, these transformative programs are amazing, amazing. So I would recommend all the mothers, especially, and everyone who is looking for transformation to go through this incredible program. Give it a try, and I can assure you that you are going to love it like me. So thank you so much. Bye bye.